Write an algebraic expression for the verbal expression and then simplify. Our verbal expression is 4 times the sum of 2 times x and 6. Let's break this down. We have 4 times. Times is a multiplication. We have the phrase the sum of, which means we are putting a parentheses around the next 2 terms. What are the next 2 terms? 2 times x, that would be a 2x, and 6. Those are our next 2 terms that go in the parentheses. Now that we've broken down the verbal expression, let's write the algebraic expression. 4 parentheses 2x plus 6. 4 times the sum of 2 times x and 6. It's important to note that when we see the phrase the sum of, it means that this and is an addition, that we are adding this first term and the second term. When this phrase is the quotient of, we are dividing the first term by the second term. When this phrase is the product of, we are multiplying the first term and the second term. Let's go ahead and simplify this expression. We're looking at the parentheses, and we can see that there is nothing more we can do to simplify. These 2 terms are not like terms. They do not have the same variable and the same power. So we now can perform the multiplication, and we can distribute out our 4. So that is going to leave us with 8x plus 24. You can see these 2 terms are not like terms. They do not have the same variable. So this expression is simplified. Let's move on to number 11. We have 1/2 of 4 times y plus the quantity of y and 3. Let's start at the beginning. 1/2 is 1 divided by 2. 1/2 of 4 times y, that is 4 multiplied by y, 4y. 1/2 of 4 times y is 1/2 times 4 times y. And we have a plus. Plus is addition. And finally, we have the quantity of, when we see this phrase here, the quantity of, we have a parentheses around the next 2 terms. This and here is a addition, and we have now analyzed our verbal expression. We can write down the corresponding algebraic expression. It would be 1/2 times 4y plus parentheses y plus 3 parentheses. Let's go ahead and simplify the expression. You can see that in the parentheses we cannot simplify the expression in the first parentheses. We cannot simplify the expression in the second parentheses because there are no like terms. So we can perform our multiplication. 1/2 times 4 is 4 over 2 times y plus y plus 3. Now we have 2 like terms. The first term has a y, the second term has a y. But before we add them together, let's go ahead and simplify this fraction. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we're going to be left with 2y plus 3. Now let's consider our like terms. Same variable y, same power of 1, so we can add those two together. We can get 3y plus 3. These two terms are not like terms, so the expression has been simplified.